Alright, so I got this can of lobster. It was on sale. And we're gonna make some dairy-free lobster, I guess sandwiches and rolls. I'll be right back. And so what I have here is lobster, lemon juice, avocado, and fennel seeds, and some onions there. Alright, so here's the lobster. And put some lemon juice on it, and and it's pretty much ready to go. The bread I got with it was a gluten-free Silver Hills bread here, and it is gluten-free. It also, actually, this one's not gluten-free, it's non-GMO though, but it is dairy-free. So, as you can see, it does not contain any milk. So, alright, I'm going to do a quick taste test on those for you as well. Okay, so here it is on the bread, and I'm going to try it out right now. Alright, so the canned lobster, you can use fresh lobster as well. It'll give you a better texture, but tastes okay. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.